Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I let you guys know, if you saw my last video, that I recently moved back to California after deploying, and we currently live in base housing in California, and I purchased a new vanity mirror that will be here on Monday. So I just thought I would give you guys a mini tour of one of our rooms in military base housing. As I slowly open the door to let you come into this room, I just want to show you a few things that I have in here. Okay, you guys are in. Okay, so now that you guys are in, we purchased a similar set to the Ikea Alex drawers, but we got them from Michaels. They are the Michaels 5-drawer dresser, and then I got the tabletop from, I believe it was Home Depot about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, so I could kind of get my makeup organized. I haven't really had a whole lot of time to do a whole lot of things since I got back, but one thing I can't have is a messy makeup room. My place was a mess when we lived in Washington because we had to downsize and I had no room, but now that I have a spare bedroom to actually manage my makeup and make it look organized, I wanted to do as much as I could to have a neat and nice appearance. So I'm showing you my Tom Ford Vanilla. It's not Vanilla Cherry. It's Very Cherry. What is that perfume called? It was Lost Cherry. It smells really good. These are my Million Roses that I purchased. These are supposed to last a year. I'll be the judge of that. But they have a really nice scent to them. And here's some more perfume and some knickknacks. So anyways, this is going to be my Michaels 5-drawer dresser that I purchased for my Impressions Vanity Mirror to go on top. That's my little Frenchie that I got from Macy's last weekend for like $5 on clearance. And these are all the makeup items that I'm about to show you as to why I needed this 5-drawer dresser from Michaels. So the price of it ended up, I had a coupon and I ended up paying $47 per drawer. Those are some cigars. I was at a retirement. Let's see, when did I get back from the retirement? I don't know, about a week and a half ago, I got back from the retirement. And I tried smoking one to celebrate with everyone, and yeah, I just couldn't do it. So I didn't want to throw them away, so I just put them in the drawers. This is my highlighter drawer. I think below that I have 2 or 3 drawers that are filled with all eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, this is why I had to get this drawer. Now, I did a lot of research on this drawer. I looked at a lot of reviews, and as far as the reviews, the IKEA ones are definitely more durable, but to purchase the IKEA drawers, it would have been a total of $207 for both drawers and the tabletop. And then because I don't have an IKEA near me, they would have charged me $207 for shipping. And I just couldn't do that. I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'll go to Michael's. I'm only going to be here for like another 2.5 years before we move to our next destination. And that will be my last destination before I retire. So I was like, these drawers can hold up for 2 years. I have some more makeup brushes over there. I have some Fenty lipsticks, my wedding ring on this little hand that I got from Amazon for like, I think $10. And then all of my daily makeup and my press-on nails are in this drawer. I really love press-on nails now because I can just switch them out. On the weekends, I run so many errands. I don't have time to go to the nail shop, so I rather just switch these out every week. And I actually had the ones that I have on now for going on 2 weeks, showing you them now. Back in the day, I used to love the French nails, and I kind of feel like they got played out, and I kind of feel like everything goes full circle, and I came back in, so I got French nails. This is my Fenty drawer. All my Fenty highlighters, my Fenty bronzers, and my Fenty blushes are all in this drawer. I love Fenty makeup. Some people think it's overhyped. I really, really love it. Not many products from the Fenty line that I don't like. I don't have all of them, but the ones that I do have, I love. There's a Fenty mirror. So see, I still have room in this drawer. So to me, if I have room in these drawers, I'm actually pretty organized. It's when I run out of room that I feel like a hot mess, guys. So I got this mirror. I'll set it out. It's too pretty to sit in the drawer. But as I said, I just got back not too long ago, and I'm still trying to get everything situated. And here we have some Too Faced, some Becca, some Tarte. What else do we have in here? Some Huda Beauty lippies. So I still have plenty of room. That does not mean that it's to enable me to go out and buy more. Sometimes we have room, like, okay, we can go get more stuff. That is not the plan for me. I need to use everything here I have. These are the last of my bag collection. Those are my winter coats. And this is just like a rundown of my room. So I hope you like my video, and Monday when my actual vanity mirror appears, I will go ahead and put it together with my husband if I don't kill him first, and I will film a video for you guys and see the completed look. Thanks for watching.